I just wanted to give you an update on a new workshop that we've developed. It's come about because for many years, designers have said to us they can't get the data they need to prove the design was effective, and hence they can't get into value pricing. Now, there's two aspects to this. Generally, it's one that the clients don't want to divulge the data. Some do, usually percentages rather than raw dollars. The other is that they say we can't separate design out from everything else that we did. So we've thought long and hard about this, and over the last 12 months, we've talked to about 100 design agency owners and discussed this. And so we've now come up with a methodology that fixes this, and we are calling it design impact. We're wanting to shift the thinking away from design value to design impact. We've developed a methodology for this, which we present in a half-day workshop. It's an in-house, at your studio, face-to-face with you for half a day. We're looking at your issues, your clients, your outcomes that are needed, and we devise the workshop around that. So if you'd like more information about this, you can contact me, Greg, at Design Business Council, or go to the Design Business Council website and look at the workshops section. Thanks very much.